Oh yeah. 10 pack gun opening. Fuck yeah, nigga. Alright. Let's do this. First pack. Xbox on Snap. Ooh. Some good Gauntra. Ooh, I like this stuff. Okay. I don't need Sterling. Of course, untradeable. Yeah, that sounds like FIFA. 0 points! What is this? What's the point of that? That's stupid. Whatever then, I'll just keep Sterling. I don't need these guys. What do I get now? Let's see. Oh, Fernando Torres. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, and another pack. I like that. And Sterling again. That's funny. Alright, that's fine. I'll send you to the club. So far, not bad. For 3 packs, not bad. I can use others. Again, too bad you can't. You get nothing for him. That's a stupid part, whatever. Redeem free pack, please. Quick sell all these guys. Alright. I like these free packs. If only I got better players. We'll do you last, gold pack. So I got 11 packs total from EA. Not bad, not bad. Not bad to talk. And I get Pedro. Yeah, I'll keep you for that. Nah, because I don't want to make a Liga team. I guess if I want to make a OP team, don't I? Yeah, I'll stick with this. Okay, these contracts, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Well, so far not bad. Quick set these mofos. Now what?
When I look at you, oh, I feel my heart, oh, I feel real love deep inside. Oh, love, natural, I can't believe how you do to me. You make me feel, oh, how you say, feel so special. Oh, love, natural, I
Who is this at? Oh. Alright, next. Give me someone good. I know they're free packs, but someone decent. Close. I could use it for that German team. Oh yeah, shitty peso. Ooh, Rakitic. I'll keep you. Sergio Busquets, really? Might as well. Paulo Hernandez. Ooh, I actually might. You're not actually that good. But I will keep all these contracts. All these. I will take all this. Goodbye contracts for a long time. Nah, I don't want Paulo Hernandez. Ah, whatever. Might as well. I'm not getting it for Hernandez. 7 more to go. Well, 8, yeah, 7 more to go. Hey, I got a viewer. Hey, what's up, dude? Who is this? Oh, I got an informed Koscielny! What the fuck? That's awesome. I can't sell them, but hey, fuck that. Send this to my buddy. Let's see here. Bam! Bam! Suck it! Suck it! Let's see. Cool. Let's send this to my buddy. Informed Koscielny, I'll take that. Hell yeah. Alright, keep all these guys. So, I don't know how these packs came to be. I guess is it because of the, I guess this is from like the promo of the Ultimate Team. I guess 5 years, right? I got, for some reason I got 10, maybe because I bought the first expansion when it first came out. That may be it, actually. I'm thinking about it. Do I need to keep you two? Nah. I don't need none of this crap. I'll keep you, actually. You improve the defense. These guys. It's weird that I got, my friend says he got 5. I got 10. How that happens, I don't know. But let's see. Well, I'm liking this pack opening. This is pretty badass. Badassery. Let's see. Xbox, Snap, Twitch. That was a crap pack. Form. Mic on. Nice. He's done. But like, crap part is that you can't even switch these guys out, dude. Like, they're all untradeable. Let's see. My friend doesn't believe me. Hold on. Twitch. Alright. I'll keep this for sure. That for sure. Don't care about Old Trafford or Malaga. Form, I guess. This is like an 8th keeper. Quick sell these guys. Alright. 5 more. Let's see here. Let's see. What I get here? I think I just got. Ooh, James Milner. I'll actually take that. It's not bad. Ricardo Costa. Maybe for that La Liga team I may make later. This is what I gun keeps playing on a Pele. Keep all these. Keep that. What's his modifier? Chlorine. You never know. It just sucks that they're all untradeable. That's so bad. That's horrible. Alright, let's see here. 4 more packs. Alright, let's see here. I get a Oh, ho, ho, ho. And I just got Casillas. What the fuck? Okay. Friend doesn't believe me that I got 10 packs. Why? I don't know. He's just being a bitch about it. Probably because I actually bought the first fucking Ultimate Team expansion when it came out. Good. So a Koscielny and a Casillas, that's not bad. Guess I needed a club for sure. Toluca playing yet? No, we're good. All this stuff I'm keeping. Let me shop this stuff. Alright, let's see. Valdez, nah. Carlos Eduardo. I've seen him play, he's not that good. Although his dribbling is pretty good. Actually, I'll keep it just in case. I'll do that OP Brazilian bullshit. Toluca's still not playing good. Alright, 3 more packs. 2 more packs. I've gotten decent players from 3 packs. It's pretty badass. I would have to admit. Pizarro from Bayern Munich. Juanfran and Lucas. I'll keep Lucas. Actually, I'll keep all of them. How did these guys work? I'm not just saying it, but if you actually help on passing, I would appreciate it. Striker center forward. Actually, I might want to keep that too. I'll get rid of these 2. I don't care about this 2. Alright, 2 more packs, guys. 2 more packs. Let's do this. Come on, come on, come on. But Lucas about to play second half. Anyone good? Anyone good? Kale. He's okay. Damn it. Shitty players now, huh? Modifier. Definitely. Wow, I need that actually for cloning. God. Do I need these 2 guys? See, why can't I transfer them? I just want to like give them to someone else. One more pack, and that's that gold pack I got. Might as well give it a shot. Oh, it's that pack. Damn it. I expected to be one of those like higher end ones. And we probably get a crap player since it's a good pack. Yeah, thought so. Cáceres from... Oh, it's Cáceres. Okay, okay. I mean, you're not that good. Matri. You're old now. Nah, I don't want any of you. This. This. Ooh, engine, yes. I actually do need that. And these I actually get money on, I think. Yeah, free money. Sweet. I got an inform Koscielny out of this. That's hilarious. Might as well, right? Let's open them. Let's open it. Let's do this. Oh shit, the Lucas playing. Oh. And let's keep this as the last one. Cruz, okay, okay. Actually, I'll take that. It's actually a good midfielder. Thank you. the full. I'll actually keep you. Put an all-Belgian team. Keep all this nice stuff. Wow. Actually, just hold on. Is there anything I don't want? Shield. Okay. I don't want that. Hey man, if you want any of these cards, let me know. Since you're watching, I'll give one to you. Let me know. Oh, for fuck. Oh, man, I hate sometimes this internet connection. Burn me, sell you. Yep. And let's sell all this shit. Oh, let's sell you. I don't even sell for shit. Same with you. And you. Vincent. Pepe. Nah, I don't really need them. Just you. Might as well keep all these guys. There we go. Open one more pack. We'll call it quits. Alright. This is for sure my last pack. And let's see that. Boateng. Okay. Ooh, Giovanni Dos Santos. I'll take that. And Montero. Jefferson Montero. Actually, I'll take those two. Oh, yeah. Silva. Take you. Let's sell these guys. Sell you, Silva. You're not that great. Sell you. Let's definitely sell you. How's Toluca doing? Damn it, we're still tied. Toluca. Sell you. Random left wing to left wing. Let's sell this. Go. What? Sell this. Sell this. Toluca. No, nothing yet. Alright. Well, whatever, it's 10,000. Vamos, Toluca. Toluca. He's gotta win this. Skirtle. Remy. Oh fuck, sell this piece of shit. Hey, a gold pack. Cool. Doing this. ¡Ay, no! ¡Benítez! ¡Fuck! Ah, pinche Benítez. Alright, last pack. Already got my 10 free packs. I got an informed Koscielny, which is pretty badass. Alright. Let's see here. Last pack. Close it again. Alright. Well, guys, that's it. Fanny. That is it. Roberto Martinez. I might sell this guy. Emerson. Ooh, Emerson. Actually, he's pretty good, actually. Alright, and keep all this. I got another close it. Hey, let me know if you guys want any of these players right here. Like, does anyone want to close it, or does anyone want? Let me know. Or any of these losers. This guy looks like crap. So sad masses. Toluca. Ah, no mames, pinche Toluca. Fucking shit, man. Oh, fucking stupid. That's why you don't fucking start fucking dumbasses. Alright, cool. That'll do it. Man, fucking swear to God. Pack is no longer available. What? Pinche Toluca, man. Just fucking swear to God. Well, then they'll start fucking Trejo and fucking. Oh my God. Man, I swear to God. Well, that'll do it, guys. Peace. Peace, guys. Thanks for watching, I guess. Like I said, informed Skirtle and all that. Not bad. Peace out, guys.